Hi, my name is Eduardo Ilenberger Mapa Jr. I'm the founder of Castle by the River and also Digicon chair for 2017. Digicon 2017 is the second season of the Digicon series, which was launched last year. For this year, the theme will be DX, the culture of digital transformation. Digital transformation is a reality that all marketers and even organizations are experiencing right now. The challenge to transform the organization into a digital-ready company connected to the challenges of today. Digicon 2017 will focus only on 6 tracks that matters in the journey of digital transformation, and these tracks are focusing on 1, organization in people preparedness. Second, it will also focus on tracks such as the new age of storytelling, culture of competitiveness, organization redesign, wherein we will share knowledge on how to redesign your company or organization ready for the digital culture. We're also having a sharing module or model wherein Filipino marketers will get insights from successful companies that have pivoted from the transformation, from where they are in the legacy part to where they pivot to a digital ready culture organizations.